and I'm gonna buy one of these product ideas from someone selling it on Fiverr. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris, and if you are new to my channel, I share Amazon FBA videos related to my own Amazon FBA business. I share tips and techniques that could help other new sellers out. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon. I also share other videos related to the stock market, the economy, anything to do with money. I like to share it. So again, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and just by doing that, I'm doing a giveaway every month where you have a chance to win my Amazon FBA Mastermind course, which is a complete course which goes step by step for the whole Amazon FBA process. You learn how to sell products on Amazon, how to find products, all the keyword research. So just by engaging on my channel, you have a chance to win. And if you already have my Amazon FBA Mastermind course, you have a chance to win $100 via Venmo or PayPal. So just remember that, but let's get into the video. So I run an Amazon FBA community of over 2,000 other FBA sellers, and I've talked to many sellers out there, and some of them actually bought product ideas from Fiverr. There's a lot of different services out there that say they guarantee winning products. So I always found that interesting because we all know product research is a very long process. It's one of the hardest parts of Amazon FBA. When I do product research for my mentorship students, I break down why it's a good product, why it's bad. They find the products and then I break it down and tell them if it's a good or bad product. Again, there's no guarantee that it's going to be successful because you don't know until you launch it, but you get a pretty good insight from all of the software out there like Helium 10 and looking at other things in the marketplace. But let's get back to the point. So these people out there, they say they sell winning product ideas, they do the product research for you, and they say that you could launch a successful product, and most of these services are around $50. So in this video, I'm actually going to jump into Fiverr and I'm going to buy one of these product ideas from someone selling it on Fiverr. I'm going to look for someone that has good reviews, and then I'm going to actually contact them. I'm going to buy a product idea, and then I'm going to break down if it's a good or bad product. I have a feeling it's going to be a bad product. I think they just go off the success scores on like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. We will see if it's a good or a bad product by the end of this video. So let's jump into my computer right now and break it down. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my computer, and I just wanted to show you this new website that keeps popping up on my Instagram feed and my Facebook feed. It's called Profitable Product, and it says that they can find you a product for a price. So we're going to come down here. It says discover profitable products without the hard work. That sounds great. If it seems too good to be true, it's probably true, right? So we're going to keep coming down here, and let's see how much they charge and what they offer. So this is their main package right here. It says we will find a profitable product that does 60,000 in annual sales, which isn't that hard to find because if you break that down at a 20% profit margin, you're making under $30,000 a year in profit. So I mean, that's not great, but they charge $297 for that package, and it shows all of the stuff that they include. And then this one says if you want a $100,000 package, it does over $100,000 in annual sales, which they say is pretty much guaranteed. They charge $397. So you can see a lot of these companies are popping up everywhere because a lot of people that start learning how to sell on Amazon, they realize how hard product research is, and it does take time, but there are still good products out there. But this is why I'm doing this experiment, so I could see if they really do find good products. I'm only going to test one service because I'm actually going to pay for that product idea. I don't have thousands of dollars to just blow on this experiment. So we're going to try out one, and then maybe down the road, I'll try another service like this one, but we're going to start out on Fiverr. So here we go. So let me pull up Fiverr right here. And if you don't know what Fiverr is, they have a lot of freelancers that do graphic design, Amazon SEO, keyword research, product research, but you never really know how good they are just by looking at the reviews. There's a lot of fake reviews. So I'm going to search for the best one out there, and then I'm going to buy that product idea. So all I'm going to do is go right here, and I'm going to type in Amazon FBA product research, and then it's going to pull up all of the services that offer this product research. So right away I could see this guy has 46 reviews or 4.9 star. Let's see if there's anybody else that is any better than that, and his services are only $20, so I might do that one because it's so cheap, and he's the top rated seller. He's a level 1 seller. I'm not sure how it goes. That's a level 2. Level 2 $30. Amazon FBA product hunting, scratch to 5-figure profit. He's doing great. But you never know if they're telling the truth or not. A lot of these people are scams, but I'm actually going to try it out. So I'm going to pick one. I'm probably going to go with that top guy because his is only 20. This one's 30. He has 40 reviews, and this guy has 46, and he's a 4.9 star. So he must have good reviews. I'm going to check those out. Let me click on his thing right here. And then it says, I will do Amazon FBA product research for Amazon FBA private label. Here's his picture. He's got his sunglasses on. It must be bright in the room. Hopefully this guy's not in my group. If you are, sorry about the comments, but we're going to find out if you actually do the correct product research. So if you come down here, you can see people reviewed it and they said very professional and highly qualified. He sold me with his presentation, excited about the future. Hopefully her units aren't sitting in her garage right now. But let's go back here. It was very easy working with the mod. So it sounds pretty promising. So I'm going to go with this guy. So I'm actually going to go right here. He has different packages. So this one's the basic. I'll probably just do this one. It has one product data and keyword report. And then this is standard. He has one product data, supplier information, competitor analysis, keyword reports. I'm not going to do that because it's $100 and it doesn't really include that much more. And then this one has 2 product ideas. So I'm going to go with the basic and I'm going to hit continue and I'm actually going to buy it. All right. So I just purchased it right here. And then it says a receipt was sent to your email. And now it says you need to tell me about your target marketplace. So I'm going to put USA. Your budget, I'm going to put $3,000. Category, I'm going to put home and kitchen. I have a feeling he's going to just type these right into Helium 10, put home and kitchen, $3,000 and hit search and then send me one of the products, but you never know. So competition level or search volume, I'm going to put 10K monthly searches. Competition level, medium. Let's see, profit margin, I want to make around $3,000 per month profit. That's easy, right? Profit margin, number of reviews, I want to compete around 200. So desired size of your product, let's say small. Desired BSR of your competitors, I want them to have a 10,000 BSR. Lower the BSR, the better if you didn't know that. So 10,000 is pretty good for the main keyword. Anything closest to 0 is even better. But if you get above 50K, that means it's not in too much demand and it's less searched in general. So now we have average selling price. I want to do selling around $20. Average monthly revenue, I want to say $10,000 a month. Per month revenue. And then average sales, 250 a month. Average rating of top sellers, 5-star. Jungle Scout score, why would he even ask about that? I'm gonna put 5-star. Okay, it's just funny. All right, anything else that you have in mind regarding your desired product? I want to profit at least $3,000 a month from the start, Ahmad. So let's see if he could find me this product. I gave him all the information that I'm looking for, and we will get back into this video when he sends me all of the information and we're going to break everything down. Stay tuned.
3 days later.
Alright guys, so it's been 3 days since I placed my order on Fiverr and I finally got the product idea. He actually sent me 2 different products, so I'm going to go over both of them. But before I do that, I just want to put this out there that I do have a product validation service. It's called the Product Validator, where I check the whole market for about an hour and I type out a report of all the good, the bad, and any ideas that I see from an Amazon seller. So you have a better idea of how the product will sell before you launch it. You can check that out down below, but let's get into it. So this is the first product that he sent me. It comes in a PowerPoint presentation, so I'm gonna skip over some of these slides. It's funny because they say once they give these product ideas out, they don't give them to other sellers, so who knows if that's true. But let's keep going down here and actually see the product. So this is the product that they found. It's called a can top remover. It basically takes the top of like a soda can off. I'm not sure why anybody would want that, but we're gonna check the demand in Helium 10. They do give you the Jungle Scout information right here, but it looks like they highlighted only one seller, which does decent. They do 15,000 a month in revenue, but if you look at all the other sellers, they are doing barely any revenue, like 2 to 5,000. Some are doing around 8, but we're gonna break it down inside of Helium 10 because I find that Helium 10 is more accurate. So I'm gonna pull it up right now. All right, so I typed in the main keyword, can top remover, And then if I look at all the different products for this keyword, they all kind of look the same. So that's one warning sign. You want to differentiate your product as much as you can. So when a customer comes here, you want yours to stand out. So when I'm looking at these, I see they all are pretty much the same exact product, probably use the same supplier. They all look the same. This one has 6 reviews. They all have low reviews, but their prices are also low. So it seems like a lot of new competition is jumping in the market. But I'm going to click on, let me go up here. I'm going to go on this one and I'm going to click on their listing. They have 89 reviews. And then I usually will want to check some of these sellers if they're a Chinese manufacturer. So now that Amazon shows you the address, you could click right here and then you could see where they are from. So they are from Guangdong, China. So that means that these people are probably the suppliers in China. So you have to look out for that because a lot of them use review manipulation, sales manipulation. They have US agents that help rank their products and get sales and reviews. So that's one sign I would stay away from this product. But let me go back here and actually run Helium 10 and I'm going to pull it up right here. If you don't have Helium 10, I have discount codes down below, but you can see the search volume is 8,900 monthly searches. So that's okay. Revenue is 17,000 a month, which is pretty good. I like to look at 10 and above. BSR is a little high. I like it to be around 10 to 20K. This is at 59,000. The price is pretty low and reviews are high. So what I'll do is I'll come down here and I will look at some of the top sellers. So you can see the first ranked product, they're only doing $2,200 a month. This one's doing $3,000 a month, and all these sellers are doing really low revenue and they are ranked on page 1 for the main keyword. So I'm going to come down here and this one has 1,800 reviews and they're only doing $900 a month in revenue. I'll come down here and I'll look at this one has $634,000 in monthly revenue, but you have to check the actual product. This isn't even the same product. So these numbers are actually throwing off all the other numbers like the total revenue, the average revenue. So that's another thing you want to look out for. A lot of these products that have high revenue might be a completely different product and it's going to mess with all of the numbers up here. So I'll keep coming down here and all of these other sellers towards the bottom, I like to look at the bottom sellers to see what they are doing in revenue. This one's doing 94, but that's not the same product. So that's another product that throws all of the numbers off. Even though they're doing $94,000 a month, it's a completely different product. So you want to make sure that the data that you are running is the product that you want to sell. This one has 1,600 reviews, but again, that's a whole different product. It's not even the same product. So you want to do your data and analysis based on the products that you want to sell. Like this one, they are doing $300 a month. This one's only doing $500 a month. So that's what you have to look out for. It's doing really low revenue and there's a lot of competition coming in. They all look the same and there's not enough demand for this product. You can't differentiate it. So that is one product I would stay away from. So we are 0 for 1. So let's jump into the second product that he recommended. Okay, so this is the second product idea that he gave me. It's a lock pick set. You could pick locks and unlock them. So we're going to pull it up on Amazon, but the Jungle Scout data shows right here. He highlighted this one. They are doing $43,000 a month with 6 reviews. But if you look at this person that has 1,800 reviews, they're only doing $12,000 a month. This one has 4,000 reviews. They're only doing $8,800, but they always want to highlight that best seller for you. This one has over 600 reviews. They're only doing $7,000 a month. So I'm already seeing warning signs that the BSR is high. The reviews are kind of high, but we're going to pull it up on Amazon right now. Okay, so I pulled up Lockpick Set, and the first thing I noticed is they all look the same. If you launch this product, how are you going to differentiate it so a customer sees yours and says, I want that one over all of these? All of these look the same, they're the same price, and one thing that I'll do is I'll look at that top seller and I will see where they are from. So it would be this listing right here, and then I'm going to click on their store. And I bet they are, yep, they are in China. They are probably the manufacturer and they have that #1 spot because they could offer it really cheap and they probably have a US agent for reviews and sales. So that is one reason why I would stay away from this product. But let me go back. So we're going to run the numbers on all the other sellers. Already, I don't like it because you can't really differentiate this product. So I'm going to run Helium 10 X-Ray and let's see an overview of all the data. So the search volume is really good. It's over 60,000 monthly searches, so that's good. Average revenue is pretty low for that high of search volume. Usually I like to see this around 10K, but if it has that much searches, it should be way more than that. So I've already seen that the top sellers are Chinese suppliers, but I want to come down here and look at some of the other sellers. So like this one has 4,000 reviews, but let's see, it's not even the same product. So again, you got to check the products to make sure that it's the product that you are looking for. These are random products that throw all of the other numbers off. So that is one product that we can't look at. Let's see what this one is. So this is a lockpick set, so we can base it off of this. They have 1,800 reviews and they're only doing $3,300 a month in revenue. 3,000 reviews, and it's a different kind of kit, but they are doing really well. So these are going to be really hard to compete with. I would stay away from this product based on all of these new sellers coming in, and they are not doing great in revenue because these top sellers have thousands of reviews. Whenever you're competing against someone that has over 1,000 reviews, it's really hard. Your PPC bids go up. It's harder to rank on page 1. But like some of these new sellers, you can see 0 reviews, $95. This one has 5,800 and it's $19.99. So that's a pretty cheap price compared to the others. I bet they are a Chinese supplier, so I'm going to pull up their store right here. And you can see they're from China, so they're probably manipulating everything. But that is a couple things that I look at. I look at a lot of other things, but I don't have time for this video. But that is it for this video. Maybe I'll do another video from another service that offers product research. Maybe there are some good services out there, but this does not look promising. I know a lot of other people that use these type of services and the products failed, so now I see what they recommend and I can see why they fail. They don't do a deep analysis. They just base it off of like 1 or 2 sellers and say it's a good product, but if you look into it, they are not good products. So I hope you liked this video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you like these type of experiments. And if you want your product analyzed where I actually check the market and do a lot more than I did in this video, then check out the link below. It's called the Product Validator and it's a really cheap price. But that is it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.